Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my Sephora haul. I did do a little bit of damage during the sale. I have some new products to show you, to put on my face. If that sounds like fun, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with this Huda Beauty Silk Balm Icy. You know I am in love with my Fenty Ice, so I wanted to see what Huda had to offer, to see if I liked it as much. I don't think I've ever tried a Huda gloss, and if I have, it was a long time ago. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful packaging, and of course I do have lipstick to put on later, and maybe I'll try this as a gloss on top, but I figured as I'm getting ready, this might be nice to have on the lips. It actually looks blue. It definitely feels less gel-like. I'm starting to feel the cooling sensation. We'll see. The next product, I grabbed this Milk Matte Primer. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. I did grab the mini because I am so picky about primers, and I would rather try out a baby at a discount than the full price, even at a discount. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on my finger. I don't smell anything. And let's try. I do have my skincare on. And while we're talking about other products, I did put a little bit of my Ulta Matte Eyeshadow Primer on and my Sephora Brow Pencil. Okay. So far I am liking that. It went on very soft and smooth and lightweight. I can see some blurring. Yeah, so far so good. Can you believe I did not buy any eyeshadow palettes during this sale? I could have waited for the Xenon and I couldn't wait for it. So I thought I would try this Natasha Denona Mini Gold palette, which I have to apologize. I did check and it's not on Sephora's website, but I did get it on Natasha's at a discount. So if you really love it, pay attention and maybe you can grab it on sale there. I did notice that Sephora has the Mini Bronze, which I believe is very similar to this color story. So this is the one I'm gonna play with. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. So, woo! Oh my gosh, that gold. Yes, please. And here is the deep outer corner. Oop. And then here is the mid-tone. Yeah. That looks beautiful. This is a ColourPop E16. I'll go into that transition shade and just almost sloppily apply that in the crease, a little above the crease on both sides. This is one of the Ace Beauté brushes that I just got in my recent BoxyCharm, the little pencil brush. I don't think it has a number on it. And I'm just going to put this darkest shade a little bit in the outer corner. Go ahead and take that same deep color and put it on the outside outer corner. And then wiping off the brush and going in with that transition shade and just going here. I must say I am enjoying the icy sensation on the lips. And now for the fun part, I'm gonna go into this gold and I'm gonna dust that over the lid. Oh, so pretty. While I'm here, I'll continue on with the eyes. I did pick up this Sephora 12-hour colorful pencil in black lace. I do have this in the brown shade. I think it's tiramisu, and I really enjoy it. So I thought I would get a black shade to do my upper and lower waterline and a little bit on the upper edge and bottom edge. Yep, just as inky and smooth as I anticipated from the brown. This is a good one. The next set that I have to play with is this one size set that I picked up before the Sephora sale, but I haven't touched it. This I picked up when I was redoing all of my mascaras. I should have waited to do it. I would have gotten it at a sale, but that's okay. It was a set that came with the full-size mascara and liquid liner. I also picked up this one from Danessa Myricks. This is her Linework pencil. I think I want to play with this one. I believe it is waterproof. I've been trying to look and make sure, but I don't like to spend a lot of money on liquid liners, but if it's really going to be one that I can count on, I want to try it. I need my mirror for this. I like it. I think it could be a little bit blacker, and I'm hoping that it dries matte. I am going to use this one size liner, and I'll do one eye Danessa, the other side one size, and then we can compare. I believe that the one size looks a little bit darker than the Danessa. We shall see. For mascaras, I did pick up a few in my redo of my mascaras, so I do have some to choose from. In the other room, I have my Sephora collection Size Up mascara. I did use that in a short for Halloween. I will pop that up over here, and I've owned that before, and wow, super happy to have that back in my collection. The mascara set that I got from Sephora, these are 3 of them. I know there is a Better Than Sex that I did not bring in here. I have been using that. I think I used that in my Coal Eyes video with the Odin's Eye. And there is a Lancome Lashy Doll, a Tartlet Tubing that I have been enjoying, and then a Milk. And then over here, I did pick up a new Sephora Lashcraft, which I thought was my favorite, and so I opened that Size Up. Their Sephora collection mascaras are all pretty darn good. So we'll see how this one compares to the Size Up. That might be a fun video or short to do. But I think I'll use the one size mascara today because I'm using the liner in that set. And I've heard also great things about this one. Here's what the wand looks like. Let me go ahead and add it to the lashes. There's one coat. Let me give it a minute to set a little bit. I'll add another coat, do my little push-up, and then we'll see the difference. I'm back, and can we just say, wow, like, look at my lashes. That is 2 quick coats. Loving this. I don't have anything on the bottom, by the way. I'll use the Tarte on the bottom because it's tubing. I'll be right back. I'm back, and yes, this Fantasize is great, and I also realized I could have battled 2 mascaras against each other. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have to edit out a huge tummy grumble as well. I didn't get a new foundation, so I'm just going to hop off camera and add some of my Dior Face and Body. I love this, and I'd like to see how it behaves with the Milk Primer. Foundation is on. Love that Dior. I couldn't help myself. I picked up the Natasha Denona concealer. This is her Hy-Glam concealer. I got it in RN1. I've not even opened it. I'm hoping the shade I got is okay. Ooh, it looks really light. Okay, this is what it looks like. I love the matte velvet top. Looks like a glass bottom. This, everybody has been saying is wonderful, so here I'll swatch it. Oh, that doesn't look too light. I like a light under eye. Let's try it out. I did not put any of my Becca under my eyes or my e.l.f. I usually use a brightener, but I wanted to give this a shot on its own. I'm going to start by just using very little. I mean, I'm barely touching. Put a little bit out here. A little bit here. I have my Real Techniques brush here. I'll start around the nose. Pretty light, hopefully not too light. And here's the important part. Tapping at first in the deepest crevice under my eye, and then I'll blend it out from there. What do we think? Let me add a little bit more. I will have to keep you posted, but so far I think I'm liking it. I picked up a mini of the Givenchy Prisme Libre. I got mine in the shade Satin Blanc, and I figured I would use this to set under my eyes. If I blow through it and if I love it so much, then maybe I can pick up the full size in the spring sale. We shall see. But everybody says how wonderful this is. Cute little baby puff. Not going to use that. I'm assuming there's plastic here. That was not satisfying. It did not come off nicely. Okay, so you have pink, purple, beige, and yellow powders inside here that will all come out into the cap, and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. Since it's been 10 minutes, let me tap out underneath again, make sure there's no creases. And hopefully, this is magical. Putting it all on here, and then I'm going to tap the back of my hand just to get off the excess. And then I'm going to just run this lightly under my eyes. Yeah, I can see that, how smoothing and brightening. I like it. Oh, Givenchy, I guess you're expensive for a reason. I do smell a little bit of the perfume, but it's not bad. Winner. I didn't pick up a new face setting powder. I have so many powders in my drawer, but I have been enjoying this one from Makeup Forever. If you're looking for a recommendation, for the last week or so I've been reaching for this and loving it. This is their matte setting powder, and I have mine in the shade Banana. It has a little cap that comes up, which is nice. It doesn't go everywhere. That's what it looks like, and then I'll just go ahead and set my face. I don't think I have any more cream products, but matte and smoothing. And I do remember when I first picked this up, it was definitely in a favorite and just got swallowed in the back of the drawer. A little bit of coverage, matte finish, yes. I'll go ahead and add my Tartelette tubing mascara on the bottom lashes now. I'm not going to put any on the top lashes because I want to make sure that I know whether or not that one size needs it or not. But I think tubing on the edge of your regular mascara that tends to smudge can be helpful. If you remember, I was sad when Sephora collection discontinued some of my favorite blushes and contours. Well, they did come out with new ones. The Second Chance contour, and it looks very gray. I really enjoyed these powders. I believe that they reformulated, so I'm hoping that I like them the same now. Boy, my nails are just taking a beating. Ooh, look at that. It does have a mirror. The other packaging came up, and I think you could take this out. I don't see that you can do that now, but it does also have a mirror. I'll go into my Jasmine Beauty brush. Well, first, let's swatch it. Looks good. Loading up the brush. I did also bring in one of my favorite bronzers from LYS, just in case this was too cool, which I don't think it is. The only issue that I foresee with this is I believe this is the only contour shade in this line, and it's not very dark. But if you're looking for something a little subtle to add that definition and that contour to the face, it would work. And in the blush category, I picked up another Sephora collection as well. I loved my Spiced Copper, I believe it was called. This one is called Charmed, and it looks very similar. Pretty peach. Go back into my blush brush from Jasmine, and I will add that. Yes, I like it. Sephora collection is 30% off during the sale. Let's see how it lasts, but yes, I am liking this a lot. I'm gonna take off the lip balm, and then we'll go in with some lip color. The lips feel nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. And I didn't buy any new lip products, but some recommendations. I have very few high-end lip liners. I get most of them from the drugstore, but this one from LYS is nice. This is the Smooth Glide lip pencil, and mine is in the shade Soulful. It's a nice pencil. And then for my lip color, I grabbed my liquid Dior lipstick, which if there is a round 2 for this sale, I want to pick up another one of these. I believe it's in my wish list still. This is probably my favorite liquid lipstick. I do really enjoy the Sephora collection liquid lipsticks, but this one is just a hair above. It is super thin, lightweight, lasts a long time, wears off without looking weird, Just a couple more things. I have this new brow gel from LYS. This is their Secure Brow. Again, LYS, fantastic with the triangle packaging. Nice small brush. Let me go ahead and set that Sephora Collection brow pencil. It looks great. I did get a couple non-makeup items, but the last makeup item that I have to try is the Milk Matte Setting Spray. I wanted to give that a shot, which also I picked up the one size. The holiday set, I don't know if it went off the website or if it was showing not available. Couldn't get it, but I still had to have it, which I still have this one here, but I think the one in my bedroom is empty. And when you can grab it on sale, yes, this is the best setting spray I've ever used as far as keeping my face matte for a long time. My makeup doesn't move. This is a good one. There's a reason why it sells out all the time. So here is the Milk Makeup Matte Setting Spray. It does say shake well. Okay. All right, I shook for a long time. Ooh, I really like, how cool is that packaging? That is nice. Let me test the sprayer. Looks nice. No scent, nice sprayer. So far, so good. Just adding a teensy more of the Makeup Forever powder. And then the two non-makeup items that I picked up, I couldn't help myself. I'm in a perfume phase of my life. My husband couldn't be around it for the longest time. Then he got some surgery fixing that nose and he can be around it, and now I am searching for my signature scent. I have the Dior Hypnotic Poison in my collection right now. I bought a cheapie from Temu that's supposed to smell like a Tom Ford, is it Lost Cherry? That's sitting on my dresser. I like it. I have the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato. Love it. That is in my purse. I also have the Kayali Vanilla. And then for this haul, I picked up the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. Wild berries, jasmine, lychee, vanilla, flower, and sensual musk. Not sure about this one. I can smell the apple, but I'm not sure what else I'm smelling and if I like it. And then the last one that I got is this one from YSL. This is the Black Opium. Coffee Accord, Orange Blossom, Cedar Wood Essence, Patchouli Essence. This one, it has a little cap. I think I like this one better. I can smell a little bit of sweetness. Go down the shirt. That completes my face. Let me go over the items and let you know what really is standing out to me. The liners look good. I will keep you posted. My lashes look awesome. The Natasha concealer paired with the Givenchy. Whew, my under eyes are looking pretty good. Maybe too bright, we'll see. But this, yes, so smoothing, so lightweight. I get the hype. The Sephora powders, I'm glad to have them back in my stash. Looks like the reformulation was a good one. I'm liking these. The primer and setting spray, I'm gonna have to break them up because right now I'm liking the way my face looks. Of course, check the description box or a pinned comment. I will keep you posted what this looks like when I go to bed tonight. The lip balm, I'm not sure I'm liking it better than my Fenty. I do enjoy the minty coolness, and how cool it did not get on the doe foot from the Dior lipstick. I'll keep you posted on this, but so far it's a maybe. I would say that I am super pleased with everything that I picked up. That is so nice because when you spend money, you don't want to be disappointed. The only thing that I was a little disappointed with was the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple, and that's just a personal preference. I like a lot of their perfumes, but I will continue playing with it before I decide whether or not it's gonna stay or go. And of course, make sure that you're subscribed because I will be using these things all month long and will update you in my November favorites and fails. Give the video a thumbs up, it really helps me. And of course, leave me a comment. Did you pick up anything during the sale? Did you see anything that I played with today that you are interested in? I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. I thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day.